Are you trying to make your friends list private on Facebook? Then this video is for you. Today we are going to talk about how you can easily make your friends list private on Facebook so that no one can see who you're friends with. But before we getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So in order to make your friends list private, you first have to open up your app and then make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you have to tap on the menu icon on the top right corner, and then go ahead and scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy, and then head over to your settings. Once you get to your settings page, scroll down until you see Audience and Visibility, and after you have done that, you can go ahead and tap on this How People Can Find and Contact You, and then on top, you will see your friends. So here, who can send you friend requests, and then there is who can see your friends list. Go ahead and tap on it. And if this is set to public, then everyone on or off Facebook can see your friends list. If it's set to friends, then all of your friends will be able to see who you're friends with. And if you want some exceptions, you can add right here. And then if you want some specific friends, you can add them here as well. And if you want to make it completely private, you just set this to only me, tap on save, and now no one can see your friends list on Facebook except yourself. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.